JimmyIrvin on the beat. Today I'm gonna show y'all how to come up with a melody. So we're gonna start off by grabbing a piano, doing it in D sharp. Let's do minor. D sharp minor. Okay, yeah, we in D sharp minor. So starting off, you can just play a note long, and then if you skip every other note, like 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, you got a minor chord. So it sounds kind of dark and sad. So that's what I'm gonna start off with. I'm gonna do a minor chord. Then let me scoop this. I'm bringing one note down, make it sound extra dark. And if you play notes that are semitone away, you'll get that dark feel. So I'm gonna play this. Play that, and then cut it shorter. Paste it, and then I'm gonna just play these semitones right here. We got that right there. Let me copy it. Switch it up at the end. That was kind of nasty. Hold on. Okay, that's cool. Now I'm gonna just grab these and add bass notes, and that's what's gonna make it sound fuller. Then I'll play drums with it, so you'll see what we just did. Pull it down an octave, another octave. Right there, and then if you add some drums, this is what we got right here. And that's it. If you like this video, like, share, subscribe, and comment. See you later. Gotta answer these phone calls.